Welcome, friend. I invite you to find a comfortable seated position with the spine straight. Today we perform Anulom Vilom, or alternate nostril breathing, where we breathe in through one nostril and out the other. This helps create inner balance and fosters stillness within, so we can increase our capacity to consciously respond versus impulsively react. So let's begin by placing the hands on our heart. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Rest your hands on your knees. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. Let everything relax as we come into the present moment. Observe how the body and mind is feeling. Maybe calm or a bit restless. It's all good. Just observe without judgment. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in and a cleansing breath out. Let's set our intention today that we may create a home within ourselves that is in harmony with the flow of life. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's begin the exercise by bringing the chin slightly down and placing your right hand on your nose. The thumb is on your right nostril. Your index and middle fingers rest on your forehead in between your eyebrows, and the ring and pinky is on your left nostril. Tuck your elbow in, resting it on the body. Block the right nostril, close it off. Exhale out the left nostril. Inhale through the left. Close the left. Exhale out the right. Inhale through the right. Close the right nostril. Exhale out the left. Inhale through the left. Close. Exhale out the right. Inhale through the right, open the body, close. Exhale out the left. Inhale through the left, close the nostril. Exhale out the other side. Inhale through the right, close. Exhale out the left. Good. So keep breathing like this, making the breath fluid and smooth, expanding the body and releasing. If you get mixed up, it's all good. Just think, inhale, close. Exhale out. Beautiful. As you switch between the nostrils, focus on how the breath is flowing in and out. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your nose, passes the eyebrows, nourishes and cleanses your body with a sense of okayness, and the warmth that flows out as you let everything go. You are breathing more than just air. You are breathing life energy. Connect to this force. Beautiful. Take your last few alternate nostril breaths. Make them count. Last full inhalation. Hold the breath for a few seconds. Slowly exhale, release the hand back on the knee. Let go of your breathing. Let it happen naturally. Loosen the arms, the shoulders, as you come into stillness. Notice how calm and centered the mind is. The body is relaxing in peace. Deepen your connection to this sanctuary within. You are exactly where you need to be. No matter where you are or what situation you find yourself in, you remain in equanimity, a state of composure and mental calmness, trusting that the light within is guiding and protecting you. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel free to continue sitting. If you wish to come out of this exercise with me, gently move your fingers. Rub the palms of your hands together. Place them on top of your heart. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take this moment to thank yourself for doing something good for your well-being. Wishing you peace, love, and wisdom. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.